In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate email marketing from Mailblaze to Mailerlite in 2025. We'll go through the process from exporting your subscribers all the way to testing everything before you fully switch over. The goal here is to make your move organized, clean, and reliable so you don't lose important subscriber data or break any of your email workflows. Start by logging in to Mailblaze and going to Lists, then Lists again. Open the list you want to migrate, click List Action, and choose Export. Select CSV as the export format, then save the file to your computer. Keep in mind that Mailblaze exports confirmed subscribers only. If you have more than one list to move, repeat the same process for each one. Next, prepare your subscriber file before importing it anywhere. Open the CSV in Excel or Google Sheets and review the columns carefully. Make sure key information is clearly organized, such as email address, first name, last name, phone number, and any other custom fields you use. If there are extra columns you don't need, remove them to keep the import cleaner. This is also a good time to look for duplicates or invalid email addresses. Once everything looks correct, save the file again as a CSV. Now log into Mailerlite. Go to Subscribers, then Groups, and click Create Group. Create a group that matches each list you exported from Mailblaze. For example, if you had separate lists for newsletters, customers, or leads, create corresponding groups in Mailerlite. This is important because Mailerlite uses groups to organize subscribers in a way that's similar to lists or tags in other platforms. After that, go to Subscribers and click Add subscribers. Choose the option to import from a CSV or TXT file, upload your Mailblaze CSV, and click Import Subscribers. Select the Mailerlite group where these subscribers should go, then match each CSV column to the correct Mailerlite field. If you have extra subscriber details, create or select custom fields as needed. Review the import settings carefully, decide whether imported subscribers should trigger any existing automations, and then click Finish Import. Once your subscribers are in place, recreate the rest of your email marketing setup inside Mailerlite. Rebuild your sign-up forms under Forms and connect each one to the correct group. Recreate your landing pages under Sites and Landing Pages. Rebuild your email templates and check your branding, links, and footer details. Then recreate your automations in the Automations area, making sure the right groups are used as triggers. Also, authenticate your sending domain before sending campaigns from your custom email address. And most importantly, only migrate subscribers who have given consent to receive marketing emails. Before switching completely, test